Hello, welcome to Professor 3Mac. Today I am excited to share an impressive student project combining finite element analysis and machine learning to predict offshore pipeline failure. This research is from Yilun Huang, a BEng student I supervise at University of Aberdeen. Everybody knows that subsea pipelines transport oil and gas under harsh conditions, and this could include high pressure, thermal expansion, and seabed interactions. Buckling can happen in any pipeline. It's a global instability in the pipeline, and that can lead to catastrophic failures such as oil spills and multi-billion-dollar losses as well. Traditional FEA is accurate but slow and labor-intensive, making real-time risk assessment very difficult. And obviously, it requires a lot of expertise as well. The solution to this problem is we developed an automated platform called MLBUCKLIZER. This integrates three modules. Number one is parametric FEA modeling in Abaqus. So this simulates pipeline post-buckling automatically. User just has to provide the pipeline operating parameters and geometric features. Second module then automatically process the data. After batch running the simulation, it extracts the relevant properties such as stresses, plastic strains, and displacements. And finally, in module 3, a machine learning model is already trained using the FEA results, and a random forest algorithm predicts the post-buckling state in seconds. So now think of it as combining Abaqus finite element software with AI to get instant post-buckling prediction just in the matter of seconds. The key results include the machine learning model achieved over 95% prediction accuracy for maximum stress, plastic strain, and displacements. For example, for one of the real test case, we showed that stress prediction error was around 0.12%, which is less than 1%, and plastic strain error and displacement errors were approximately around 4%. So these are excellent in my opinion for engineering application. And this means we can quickly identify critical segments needing inspection or maintenance. If you think about impact and future, then this work proves that AI can significantly speed up offshore pipeline integrity assessment. The next steps in this area will include extending this MLBUCKLIZER to lateral buckling and complex seabed pipeline interaction, which we use a very simplified interaction between the seabed and pipeline in this case. And also even real-time structural health monitoring through digital twins. If we can connect this code with the real-time data, then we can still predict what is the current state of the pipeline if it is showing some kind of global instability due to buckling, which could be lateral or upheaval. So we can see such tools can transform how we predict failure and prevent accidents in offshore engineering. So if you're an engineering student or a professional, this project shows how combining AI with FEA or real-time data can make a huge impact. Please subscribe to Professor 3Mac for more cutting-edge research highlights, Abaqus tutorials, and also guidance in terms of higher education or scientific research. Any questions, comment below and I will try to get back to you. Thank you very much for watching.